Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best RV fridge-freezer combos on the market right now, the Alpicool T60 dual temperature control 12-volt refrigerator. If you're someone who loves road trips, camping adventures, or simply needs reliable cooling on the go, this might just be the perfect companion for you. Let's jump right into why this fridge-freezer stands out from the crowd. First off, the Alpicool T60 offers a substantial 63-quart capacity, making it spacious enough to hold up to 78 cans of your favorite beverage. It's not just about size though. This fridge-freezer boasts dual temperature control. You can set different temperatures for each zone, from a freezing 4 degrees Fahrenheit to a cool 50 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing flexibility whether you need to keep your food frozen or chilled. What sets this apart as a must-have for RVs, boats, or even as a backup fridge at home is its efficiency. Powered by a 12-volt system, it's designed to work seamlessly with solar setups, ensuring you can keep things cool without draining your vehicle's battery excessively. Plus, with its compact size and built-in wheels and handle, transporting it is a breeze. Whether you're off-grid or on the move, the Alpicool T60 keeps your essentials fresh and accessible. Taking a closer look at the design, the Alpicool T60 is not just functional but also durable. It features a freestanding installation type with a sturdy build that's built to withstand rugged environments. The foldable handle and wheels add to its portability, making it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. Inside, it includes an internal basket for organizing your items and a built-in LED light for visibility, which comes in handy during those late-night snack runs. The Alpicool T60 also features advanced car battery protection with multiple settings to prevent your vehicle's battery from draining excessively, giving you peace of mind during extended trips. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for a reliable, versatile, and efficient fridge-freezer combo that's tailor-made for life on the move, look no further than the Alpicool T60. It's earned its place as a top choice among adventurers and travelers alike, offering everything you need to keep your food and drinks fresh wherever your journey takes you. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Let us know in the comments if you've used the Alpicool T60 or if you have any questions. Until next time, happy adventuring!